So, Feather Family added a new bird, so yeah, let's just showcase it. And sad thing, they updated the prices for the extinct birds. Because if you remember before the update, the OO was the cheapest extinct bird. It was like 600, now it's 1,000. But here's the new bird. Feitianius. I don't know how to pronounce that, but let's just showcase it. Hatchling first. I see fingers. God, I'm lagging so bad. So we spawn in the forest. It's too dark in this nest, so I'm gonna teleport to forest again. Too much grass. But let's showcase it. Walking. Running. Oh my, those wings are big. Call. Sit. Eat. Hurt. Well, I don't know what position that is, but that is a strange position. My eyes closed. Grow up. Keep colors. And I'm gonna be the female first. She got little teeth. And she has fingers. Just like the other extinct birds. Walking, jumping, running. Okay. Sit, eat, hurt. She flips upside down. Display. I don't know what she's doing, but yeah. Clean. She just eats it. Fly. See the flight timer. That's actually a pretty long flight timer, actually. Meow. Let's check out the male, shall we? Load, please. Load. Load. Thank you. Look at his hairstyle. See what he looks like in game. Load, please. Thank you. Walking, running, jumping. See what he sounds like. Sounds like a whistle. No, the tail went through the ground. That sucks. Eat. Hurt. I think the same as a female. Wait, oh, he's puffing up his tail. Yeah, pretty much the same. Surprised. I didn't expect this bird to have a long flight timer, actually. I wasn't really expecting. Yeah. Okay, so they apparently updated the fossil lab a bit. So when we teleport there... Yeah, sorry for my very laggy gameplay. Like, this phone is really old. Like, really, really old. It's older than me. Please note that the location and the code is different for everyone. But my code is 1668. I'm just gonna put it here because I forget things easily. I'll show you what I mean they updated it. Yeah, it's updated. You can enter the code easily now. Oh. Let's just see what's going on. Speak. This is amazing. You're one of the specimens we have recurated. How do you like your new life in the modern era? It's as different as you remember. Anyways, we expanded our lab so we can make new discoveries. Nice discovered this fossil recently. It has appeared to be a fossil of a long beak. I am attempting to collect its DNA and bring it back to life. It will be completed on June 27th. Sorry, I don't have to speak properly. But you have like enough time to grind feathers. Ow, my neck is hurting. No, but for real, my neck is hurting right now. Oh, he switched places. Wow, you are one of the species we have brought back to life. It is amazing to see you up close. My father and I are discovering new fossils. We are going to resecure extinct birds to study how they live. The deeper I dig, the older the fossils are. The last fossil we recovered was a Feitianius. It was an I don't know how to say that. A devised group of extinct birds from the Cretaceous period that have no living descendants. Male Feitianius had a elaborate display of tail feathers. Cool. They also did a Dodo remodel, so we will check that out. Scroll down. Load, please. Okay, hatchling first. Load! Oh, they definitely make the beak smaller. But it's cute. I dare someone to make this our profile picture. I dare you. Load. Thank you. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to sound like that. He hurt. Flips over. Eyes closed. No, wrong button. Key colors. It actually looks really nice. The same color as the old one. Display. Claps little wings. Cream. Close eyes. Oh yeah, I forgot this bird can't fly. So why did they put that there? Wait, does it have a swim animation, I wonder? It has a swimming animation. I don't know if the old one had one, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye guys.